we first of all thank you so much for working with us.
It was a pleasure.
And taking this picture, and we were all really excited to be working with you, the legend of Willy Allen.
Thank you. You're too kind.
We are all excited. I mean, it doesn't get any better than, you know, all the pictures that you've done, especially March of the Penguins, Last of the Mohicans. It's just amazing. So we are absolutely honored to be working with you and you taking care of our picture and making it what it is. So we wanted you to obviously come, and we invited you, but I know that there were some obligations, so please
I'll
tell
make
us.
it. I'll make it there.
Okay.
Okay.
Please tell us on how you felt about working, and just.
Well, first of all, it's a real good picture, and it's a really passionate picture. It's not your run-of-the-mill picture. It has a great story. It's a love story. It has everything the Penguins have in it, as far as I'm concerned.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, the animals are 70% of the movie, and the people are just acting around them, as far as I'm concerned. The little kid, Chulong, he's incredible. That was the cinematography is great. The settings are great. The production design is great. Everything about it is, you think it was a $50 million picture.
Wow.
I mean, the way it looks, the costuming, the orchestration. It's just a wonderful film. I mean, it's really it's very organic. There's only one mechanical piece in the movie, and that's the train. And everything else is organic. All nature, all horses. It's very touching. I call it a four-taler because you cry a lot in it. So you'll need 4 towels to watch it.
Oh, yes. That's
4 towels.
Okay, 4 towels. 4-tower. It's a good term.
I mean, you know, you have your 1-tower, but then this is a 4-tower.
Okay, yes, you're right.
Because it's pretty heartbreaking, but it ends on a good note.
And so, I know that you've worked with many films, but not a lot of. Actually, is this your first Mongolian film?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
A big kung fu picture. I've done plenty of those. Okay, and this is when I first heard about the picture 6-7 months ago, I was interested in it. Okay, and then you sent me the footage, and that's really when I got a real good taste for it. And I wanted to do it, and that's why I pursued you. I mean, I wanted to do it. That's you know the good thing about it. It wasn't about a paycheck.
The other way, right?
It wasn't about a paycheck. It was it's almost like, you know, something that, you know, you get a picture like this maybe 1 in 50.
Oh wow.
Everything else is just, you know, run of the mill Hollywood. One of these pictures comes along every 10 in my career, maybe every 10, 12 years.
Oh wow.
That you passionately love.
So.
And then you put your heart and soul to it. Like Patrick and I, you know, we discussed it, and you put your heart and soul in. You want to make it good. You want to make it the best thing you ever did. Because you know, maybe I say it's my calling card to Mongolians. So when they hear it, they'll go, "Oh yeah, that's the guy." And if they make more pictures, I want to be the guy to go too.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Yes, it was really amazing to watch you work on it and hearing. We just finished the movie, watching. Just being able to be there is what they were able to bring, and sometimes you don't realize how much sound matters.
Yeah, this picture's wide. It's pretty wide. It's epic. It's got maybe close to 150 tracks of sound.
Wow.
With your 5-1, your dialogue, your ADR, your backgrounds, your heart effects, your pats, your touches, your kisses, everything in this picture is there. If it's not, you tell me and I'll put it away, okay?
Right. And you also did foley.
Yes. And I'll show you how to do that.
Right. And what were the challenges of this film versus, you know, typical Hollywood film? Or the ups? So basically pros and cons.
The challenge was the horses.
Uh-huh.
The horses were the challenge because you had to get the right horse at the right gait, walking, running, and going through the water. Some of that stuff is so organic that that's you have to go through the library, and we have a library here like 15 terabytes. With tons of horses, but you just can't just grab garbage and put it on a movie because you'll say, hey, that horse is not the horse that we.
Wow.
It doesn't look like the horse. The horse has to be in sync. Okay, and so that was the challenge. And the other challenge, Patrick and I agreed to give Rusty character. And I think we have achieved that.
Oh,
Rusty has character now.
Yes.
So the horse has
He
a personality.
Laughs. He cries.
Yeah, he laughs,
He
cries.
gets angry.
He gets angry. Like when the monk shows up. I mean, Rusty doesn't trust the monk the minute he smells the guy.
Right.
Okay, he just doesn't trust him, and so that's part of Rusty's personality is to take care of his master, the little boy, plus anything else. I mean, the horse is incredible because along the way he just takes care of everything. He's more than just a horse; he's a friend.
He is, and you feel like he is your friend.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, it's a tearjerker.
So, how long did it take you to get everything done to the point that you are happy?
6 weeks.
6 weeks. Okay.
6 weeks. Could have spent a little bit more time on it. But it's there. That's what counts. It's there. I mean, it's a 2-man crew. It's a lot of work. I did the dialogue, foley, ADR, the effects. I did. Patrick added more design with the mix. When the tear falls in the milk, you hear an echo. It's not sci-fi either. It's dreamy.
Yes.
The nightmare scene with the wolves. That's dreamy. The train scene is pretty well designed out too, because that's really brutal.
Yes.
Yes, it reminds me of the train scene in Schindler's List. You don't know where they're going.
Yes, it's scary.
You just don't know where they're going, and they show that they're frightened animals.
Wow.
And we put that in there to show you that. So as an audience, you'll sympathize with and feel it. Where are they taking them?
And when you hear it, it's just it brings that atmosphere. Like when we were watching the Kazakhstan scene, where you can feel the wind, you can feel the coolness, even though there's no breeze, and I felt like I had a breeze rushing over me. So
I mean, Ebby, is that his name? Ebby. Yeah, he did a wonderful job. Really, really good director.
Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you. And so, if you if you didn't work on this movie at all, and if you saw it as is, how would you?
I'd be crying. That's what I'd be doing. If someone says, "Hey, there's a real great picture out there. You should see it," then I would go see it. I mean, I've showed a few friends the footage, and they're just amazed by it. And, they ask, "How'd you meet these people? Of all people, Mongolians, Willie."
Right.
And I go, word of mouth.
It is.
Word of mouth and hustle.
Right.
They found me. Okay.
Yes.
And I just pursued it. I mean, you're only as good as your last frame, and when you see something like this, you want to fight for it. You really want to fight for the picture.
We are so honored.
I'm honored.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time.
And thank you, Trevor.
Thank you.
Хийморь уран сайхны